This is like the step above touch grass. Okay, let's get to planting. Stay hydrated, kids. Hi, welcome to my bubble, where we do a little bit of adulting, a little bit of healing, and a little bit of creating. So we can put this in the adulting category because earthy things count as adulting. I don't know, but today we're getting earthy. Okay, I don't remember if I introduced y'all to my new love, Lily. I'm pretty sure I did though. But I got a plant and she is growing and just doing her thing. And she's outgrown her little pot that she came in. So we're gonna put her in a big girl pot today. I went to Kroger, bought some potting soil. I got some moisture control potting mix because snake plants really don't need a lot of moisture, and it protects from over and underwatering. So 2 birds, 1 stone. And then of course, plant food. Always need plant food. Kroger, for whatever reason, had plants, had soil, had all of the spray things, but did not have pots. They only had vases, a mix of the two, whatever. I think vases are just fancier vases, whatever. But then I went to Dollar General and I got this baby. Now I had different options, but I was like, do I get the big one that she can grow into, or do I just get one for right now and then just buy another one when she outgrows that one too? Mom said, no, just get the big one if they have it. The only problem with that is the ones that I saw with no holes in the bottom did not match the decor in here. But this one that does has holes in the bottom, and she's an inside plant. I have carpet in here. She's not messing up my carpet, so then I have to find something to go underneath. So I just happened to come across this cute little bowl, and I do like this bowl just as a bowl, and I love when people have these type of bowls, but right now she's gonna serve as Lily's bowl. But first, I'm gonna put my babies together, okay? And then we're gonna go outside, we're gonna get our hands dirty, we're gonna get earthy, okay? This is like the step above touch grass, okay? Let's get to planting. Shout out Mother Earth. Let me put this together real quick, but I'm gonna wash this first, and then we'll be back.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart, I better find your loving, I better find your heart, I better find your loving, I better find your heart, I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Your loving, I better find your heart, I better find your loving, I better find your heart, I better find your loving, I better find your heart, I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Okay, so we have prepared. I have changed out of my jeans because I am about to do laundry, but that doesn't mean I want to fuck up my jeans. Okay. Potting mix, food, and look at Lily. She's gotten so big. Now we're gonna give her some more space. We're getting earthy, so I have some flour prepared for us. Duh. We gotta do this quick because it's nippy out here today. Cheers. Let's get to work. High in my mind, I might just go buy another pair of some shit I already got. We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody. Everybody, everybody, everybody. I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find a new drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by 9 and off past 5. And they work my nerves. That's why I cannot sleep at night.
Always like boy on BET, easy bars, hydroponics, frozen tonics, like me. You ain't never seen a motherfucker do it like me. Ounce in my pocket, ducking the cops. Came from the bottom, now I get high at the top. You black girl, you JP, my neck, my back.
So butter it brown.